In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do local pickup on eBay, a tutorial plus some essential tips and warnings. This can be a great option if you're looking to avoid shipping costs and hassles, especially for heavy or bulky items. So if you're ready to get started, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to head over to ebay.com and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to My eBay and select Selling to access the Seller Hub. This is where all your selling activities are centralized and will make the process much smoother for us. Next, you'll want to select listings from the menu. Here you have the option to either create a new listing or modify an existing one. Choose whichever applies to you. If you're new, creating a new listing will be the way to go. Now scroll down until you find the shipping section. This part is crucial as this is where you'll specify how you want to deliver your item to your buyer. Click on the shipping policy drop down menu and go ahead and select local pickup. This lets potential buyers know that you're offering local pickup as an option, making it clear from the start that shipping is not available for this item. Once you've set your listing to local pickup, you have two choices. You can either save your changes for later if you're still working on some details, or you can hit list now to make your item active and visible to potential buyers. Moving on, let's talk about some important tips and warnings to keep everyone safe when arranging a local pickup. Meeting in a public place is always recommended, somewhere such as a mall parking lot or even a police station. These locations offer added security and can deter any unwanted incidents. Also, if you're not comfortable, avoid sharing your home address. If your buyer insists on knowing your location, it might be best to reconsider the sale. It's also wise to bring a friend or family member along with you. There's safety in numbers, and having someone else present can make the transaction more comfortable. Additionally, for documentation, record the buyer's eBay username and your message history with them just in case you need it later. Having this information handy can be very useful if there's ever a dispute, or if you simply need to confirm details regarding the transaction. And there you have it. By following these steps and keeping these precautions in mind, you should be well on your way to successfully completing local pickups on eBay. Thanks for joining me today and happy selling.